Once upon a time, deep in the sparkling blue sea, there lived a little fish named Finley. Finley wasn't like the other fish in the coral reef. While his friends loved to swim in circles, play tag, and hide in the seaweed, Finley had a big dream. He wanted to explore the world beyond the reef. "Look at that big wide ocean," he would say, gazing at the open waters. "There's so much more to see." One sunny morning, Finley made up his mind. He was going on an adventure. "I'm going to explore the world beyond the reef," he declared, puffing out his tiny fins with excitement. His heart fluttered with joy. "Don't go too far," Finley called out his best friend. "Bubbles the seahorse, there are big, scary creatures out there like sharks and giant squids." But Finley wasn't scared. He loved his home in the coral reef. But he was curious about what lay beyond it. "I'll be careful, I promise," he said with a determined smile. And with that, he waved goodbye to Bubbles and swam off into the open sea. As he glided through the water, he saw all sorts of new things. Schools of shimmering fish that twirled in beautiful patterns, jellyfish floating like soft, glowing balloons, and even a curious dolphin who leapt in the air, making graceful splashes in the water. Finley swam past colourful coral gardens, through swaying kelp forests, and over sandy ocean floors. Everything was so much bigger than he had ever imagined. He could hardly wait to see what else he would discover. After a long swim, Finley came to a mysterious, dark cave hidden between two giant rocks. He peered inside and saw a glowing light coming from deep within. What could that be, he wondered, his fins fluttering with curiosity. He decided to swim closer, the light growing brighter with each flick of his tail. As he entered the cave, he found a tiny sparkling pearl resting on a bed of soft, silvery sand. The pearl shimmered, casting a magical glow that filled the cave with light. Finley's eyes grew wide. "Wow, this must be the treasure of the deep sea," he gasped. "That's right," said a voice behind him. Finley spun around and saw a wise old turtle named Tessa, with a shell covered in barnacles and seaweed. Tessa was very old, with eyes that sparkled like the stars in the night sky. "Many fish have searched for this treasure," Tessa said, her voice deep and gentle. "But only those with a brave heart can find it." Finley puffed up his chest proudly. "I found it, I'm brave," he said, his little tail wagging with excitement. Tessa smiled. "It's true. You are brave, but remember, Finley, the greatest treasures aren't always the ones you find with your eyes. The real treasure is in the kindness and courage you show to others." Just then, Finley heard a faint cry coming from outside the cave. "Help, help! I'm stuck!" Finley rushed toward the sound and saw a tiny crab caught in a net, struggling to free itself. The poor little crab was trapped and scared, its tiny claws flailing helplessly. Without thinking twice, Finley swam straight over. "Don't worry, little crab, I'll help you," he said, using his fins to carefully tug at the net. Slowly the net loosened and the crab was free. "Thank you," the crab said, grinning from ear to ear. "I was so frightened. I don't know what I would have done without you." Finley smiled and patted the crab gently with his fin. Sometimes the greatest treasure isn't something you can hold. It's the good you do for others, Finley said, softly remembering what Tessa had told him. With the little crab safe and sound, Finley felt a warm glow inside. He waved goodbye to the crab and turned to swim back home, feeling proud of the kindness he had shown. The journey back was even more exciting than the journey there, as Finley swam through new places and saw things he hadn't noticed before. He passed a school of fish who welcomed him with bright smiles, and a friendly octopus who waved him many arms. When Finley finally returned to the coral reef, his friends were waiting for him. Bubbles the seahorse was the first to greet him. "Finley, you're back. Did you find treasure?" Finley grinned. "I sure did. But the best treasure of all wasn't the pearl I found in the cave. It was the kindness I showed to a little crab who needed help. And the treasure of friendship is even more important than any shiny pearl. You're a hero," Finley, Bubbles said, bouncing around with excitement. "You're braver than any of us." And from that day on, Finley was known as the bravest, kindest and most adventurous fish in the entire reef. He had found the true treasure, not in gold or jewels, but in the good he did and the friends he made along the way. The reef was filled with laughter and joy. And whenever any fish needed help, they knew that Finley, the little fish with the big heart, would always be there.